Hey there, happy 2026. Wanted to do a quick video and follow up on the holiday system. I've been posting videos on this now for a couple years. The testing goes back a handful of years and just wanted to update it. Now, as you may recall, this system is entirely based on the Santa Claus rally. Now, it's not exactly the Santa Claus rally, but that is when the stock market goes up toward the end of December into the new year. And again, I did the testing and came up with some parameters, which I've shared in previous videos. Okay. Now, what is this basically? Well, as I said, we've looked at a seasonal system for the ES. Now, you can do it in the stock market, but this particular system is based on the ES. All the testing was done on the E-mini, was not done on the stock market. And I sent out a video, posted it before the most recent trade would have and could have possibly fired off. And then I shared its statistics going back many, many, many years. So, did it work? Well, here's a 2025 trade. And yes, it worked. You can see by the cyan line that it bought as the market was falling. Remember, part of December was not great. Tech was being blasted and the bears came out, but it stayed above the moving average line and it bought and immediately went up exactly as the testing, I hate to say predicted because I don't like predictions, but exactly what the testing asked for. It worked. And then it came up and of course we had our stop loss. All the details are in the previous videos and it pretty much took us out right at the high. Crazy, right? If you traded one contract, it's a hypothetical $6,500 for your trouble, right? And no real drawdown to speak of. So let's take a look at the report now updated through 2026. This simple system, again, details in other videos, plus 38. Close to close drawdown is only a minuscule amount, 1,500, right? Look at the profit factor, crazy, but that's because there isn't a huge sample size, obviously. Win rate, though, is 78% and climbing after this year, right? So it seems like maybe Santa seasonality, there's something to it. Here's now the updated curve through 2026. And you can see, it's crazy, right? Seasonality, who knew? But it's been good. Again, this goes back to 1997. So it doesn't have a ton of sample trades, but it does have a ton of years. This goes back a long time. All right. So what's the bottom line of this short video? Santa seasonality seems to be real. And this was a nice holiday winner. Again, I sent it out before, so you could have hypothetically taken. It's up to you. This is just for education, entertainment. These are not recommendations, of course, right? But it's fun to look at and it's fun to track, and it could have been something nice for your holiday. Have a great 2026. I hope you had great holidays. Now, Elite members, of course, get this code for free. I do update my website on the performance page. It's all updated as of January 1st, and the PPP portfolio was up big again. And there's going to be a lot of videos upcoming about the dividend income program. I've added something to that, and that is for people who want to pull out money safely every month, not just by income, but by growth and income, right? There are many ways to be able to pull money out. We're going to try to figure out as many as we can in the dividend income program. So that's it. The holiday trade worked out. I'll be back again with more stuff about drawing income out. Bye for now.